Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Denny and this is my den. Hope you're doing fine. Today I will be showing you how to customize your YouTube channel before uploading your first video. So to customize your channel, go to YouTube and sign in. Once signed in, click on my channel. As you can see, my YouTube layout is dark, as I have selected the dark theme. So once you see your channel is open, click on Customize Channel button. Now click on the display picture icon and click on Edit, then select your display icon and then click on OK. Check out my videos on how to make logo for your YouTube channel. Next, on the right hand side, click on Edit Channel Art. If you select an image from your PC, it should be less than 6 MB. You can also select free images available by clicking on Gallery, adjust the crop and click on OK. Now go down and click on About. Here add your channel description in detail. Add an email ID for business inquiry by brands so that they can contact you for sponsorships. Add your country in location. You can also link your social site links if you want to link them with your channel, so that it's easy for your subscribers to find you on social networking sites. Also on the right you can add any featured channels if you want to. So now your channel is customized and finally ready for you to upload your amazing videos. Do remember to check out my videos on how to make intro and outro video for your YouTube channel. Free tip for watching till the end: make sure to keep your icon, logo and channel art saved in your PC, as it may be needed in future. That's it for today, guys. Please like and share the video if it was helpful to you. It helps me a lot. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification icon so that you don't miss on any of my new uploads as I post my new videos regularly. Do feel free to comment down in the comments section about feedback for this video. Thank you so much for supporting me. And as I always say, never stop learning. Peace.